Version 11.0 of Bitrix Site Manager marks the quiet but revolutionary entrance into the cloud for the Bitrix CMS. There are several other major developments in this version, but we'll start with the implications of cloud support. With version 11.0, the economy and scale of the cloud is now no further away from you than the control panel of your website. Cloud Storage's module, available in every edition of the product, shows existing cloud storages and provides a button for creating new ones. The system supports several different cloud services. After a storage has been connected, rules can be implemented concerning what types of files are stored in the cloud. The rules can pertain to modules of the product, file types, or file sizes, or a combination of these. Note that if files, especially media files, are stored in the cloud, visitors who are downloading them will receive them directly from the cloud, reducing the workload on your server. This means that for basic web projects, the least expensive, most efficient data storage method available is now just a few clicks away. Your site will improve in performance and cost less per month by switching your large data and file storage to the cloud. However, the benefits of the cloud support do not stop there. Development of cloud-based projects, which offer services to virtually unlimited numbers of users, is now possible on Bitrix Site Manager. There are two important additional developments which go hand in hand with cloud development. These are geo-distributed web clusters and the new version of Bitrix Virtual Appliance. Geo-distributed clusters means that your website can be hosted in multiple physical locations. Suppose you have one cluster in Europe and another in the US. If one of them fails for any reason, the master server in the other cluster will compensate immediately and provide service to visitors that were being served by the one that failed. Setting up and adding web clusters is now nearly completely automated with the aid of the Bitrix Virtual Appliance 3.0. The Virtual Appliance is a free software program that creates an optimal virtual environment for the Bitrix platform. Many features which are much more noticeable to site users have also been included in version 11.0. First of all, the live feed, which provides updates of all the new events in the social network, now includes thumbnails of recently posted photos. Comments about these photos can be made directly from the live feed. A new like button is also now available on individual content items. You can now like a post or content item, and a tally will be visible indicating what content is especially popular. Furthermore, the rating of the content can be used in the social search feature. This is a system where popular content is given higher ranking, that is to say relevance, in search results. An enhanced photo gallery incorporates a slider for easy browsing through photos. Slideshows are available, and as mentioned, closer integration with the live feed means that photos are now easier than ever to share. Secure authorization. Bitrix Site Manager now sends passwords from site visitors with encryption that is unbreakable for all practical purposes, even in the absence of an SSL connection. There are two important features which have been added for content managers. The first is personalized dashboards in the back end of the product. These dashboards are similar to the dashboards that are available in user profiles, since gadgets can be added and easily moved and customized. However, there is an option to show a whole range of back-end information, such as the most recent orders in the e-store or other information from database tables. Any number of additional dashboards can be created, named appropriately, and used conveniently, with each one having its own tab. Note that the backend now also has a search box which exclusively searches menu items from the left-hand side of the control panel, and the names of all the various settings of the product's modules. Also, content editing forms are now automatically saved while you are working. This means that if you are called away, or if the browser window is closed, or if somehow you lose your session, you will be able to restore the data you previously entered, much like how Office documents can be restored if they are closed without saving. This functionality will soon be added to the front end in features like blogs and forums. Users of Bitrix Site Manager with active support contracts can update to the new version via the Site Update tool in the control panel. A 30-day trial version is available for download from the Bitrix site.